Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome. My name is Clavin, and today we are going to look at Nutrient Document Web Services Processor API. So, what is Document Web Services API? Document Web Services API, or DWS API, is designed to help you process documents at scale without overheads. With a hosted API, you can generate, convert, extract documents seamlessly within your workflow. It is built for speed, reliability, efficiency. That means that you can build faster, maintain less, and deliver more without worrying about the infrastructure. So basically, it's a plug and play tool or an API that we provide. With Document Web Services, you can unlock the power of document workflow. Before we get into actual demos, I wanted to talk about something that is security. We at Nutrient know that security is everything. And when it comes to the document workflow, it cannot be compromised. That's why the DWS Processor API was designed with the principles at core. Firstly, we do not store your documents. We never store your documents. Once the request is finished, the files are deleted. Secondly, all communication between your application and Nutrient are encrypted end-to-end. And finally, all the payments are handled by Pedal. So we do not have access to any of your payment data. And I think that's pretty much it. It's time for the demo. So here I have navigated to nutrient.io. Here you find multiple options. Nutrient provides you with SDK, cloud, that is the API, workflow, and integration. This demo is about the cloud, that is the Document Web Services API. So I can click out here and you're greeted with a nice message. You can click on Get Started. At this point, you can sign up with Google, GitHub, or you can register your own email address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to register with my email address and I'm going to set up a password. Don't worry, the password that you see on the screen is not what I'm going to set. I'm going to set something very difficult that you cannot go ahead and guess easy. Oops, however, it tells me the password does not match, so I need to type in correctly. It still does not match. So let's try the luck again. Perfect. So third time I got it correct. I would recommend that you check this box because we send out product updates and we also send out tutorials. If you're really interested in learning, you should check this box. When I sign up, I have been greeted with this screen. This screen is where you get your API keys, right? You get to know more about your tools. In this video tutorial series, we are looking at the processor API, but you also have the document viewer API, right? We will focus on it later. But let's get back into the web services API. So this is your API key. You need to copy it and keep it safe. Secondly, you can find samples out here for PDF generation. You can find multiple options for integration. We provide you sample code for curl, shell, again curl, Java, .NET, JavaScript, Python, PHP, and HTTP. So all of your code samples are ready. You just need to copy it and paste it options or multiple documentation. So if you want to copy the code, you can copy the code and run it directly. In addition, you see that I have subscribed for a trial. I have 200 operations out here. I also want to tell you that we have got very good documentation. So if you find something missing, you should look at the documentation, and the documentation is AI powered. So you can ask it questions and it will respond to you. Finally, if you want to maybe regenerate the API key, which I'm going to do after this particular demo because you all know my API key as of now, you can regenerate it by clicking the button. The old API key will be discarded almost immediately. Finally, you can also log in a support request by telling us what is wrong. And at this point, we have signed up for the API. In the next demo, we'll see how you can use the API in real-world scenarios. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.